Want to automate LinkedIn content creation using AI? Imagine never struggling with writer's block again. In this video, we'll build an AI-powered LinkedIn post generator using Python, CrewAI.
So here is the code. I created on Python 5. So we are doing some imports, OS time, Grok API, Crew API. So from Crew API, we are importing agent, task crew, and we are importing Grok API key. So in order to import the Grok API key, we need to go to playground, Grok API console. So here there is a API keys. So from you can create API key. So this API key we are using here, and we written certain methods that is generated LinkedIn post which accept 3 parameters: prompt, retrace, and delay. So here the prompt, what post you want to, like you want to create the LinkedIn post and how many times you want to try, and we are making some delay to avoid the frequent calls. So this is message. So we need to give the role and prompt. These are the 2 parameters we are posting, and this is a retry. So here we are passing retries, and we are creating chart. We are creating an instance of chart. We are passing the modem. I am using this Grok API. If you see this Grok API, will allow us to use certain models. So QN DeepSeek 32B, 70B. So we can use these models, LLM, Llama. So I'm using the DeepSeek model. So here the post content. Here I created 2 agents. That is, one is the post creator, so which will create the post. The role of this post creator is LinkedIn content creator. Goal is write engaging LinkedIn post on A trends. Backstory. So these are the 3 parameters we need to give. So backstory and A expert in AI marketing and audience engagement. So once this post creator create the post, so this it will pass to the post task. So this again, this is like a task for this agent. So here the crew will accept agent, post creator, and task is post task. So in order to run this crew, I'm writing on method that is called run crew agent. So here I am telling that method that is a generate LinkedIn post. So here I given the prompt, write about the agent for use cases in the Salesforce. So let me run it. So when I run this prompt type, so it given beautiful LinkedIn post. So if I can see here, so it did background, it did something, and it generated the post. So it given lead management and conversion, sales forecasting, and pipeline management. So what are the things we can able to do using agent force in Salesforce? So with the details, agent use cases in Salesforce, enhancing business operation with each title and description, benefits it given in a structured way. So if you want to use a different sort of DeepSeek, if you want to go for ChatGPT, we can take this one, so that we can able to use a ChatGPT LLM instead of the DeepSeek. But since I don't have any paid version of ChatGPT, I went with the DeepSeek. So this is very interesting, right? So if you want more videos on AI, please kindly subscribe and like the channel.